Okay, this is a screencast on subatomic particles and radioactivity and the symbols we use with symbol equations. So, here we have three subatomic particles. You need to be able to remember masses and charges. Masses of a proton. Mass of a proton is defined as 1. Neutron is the same, 1. An electron has a mass of 1 over 2,000, so 1/2000th of a unit. In terms of charges, proton charge of 1, neutron no charge, and electron charge of -1. Now if we take an atom like this, we can work out the mass and charge, or atomic number. So what we do is we count up protons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 protons. So we write that down. That's the atomic number. And the mass of this atom is neutrons, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 neutrons plus the 5 protons. That's a total mass of 11. If you want to know what that atom is, we just look at the periodic table and find it. So it's a proton number of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth element, there's 5 written there. So it is boron. So we can name our element as boron. Okay, here's some radioactivity. Let's have a look at that. First one is an alpha particle. Right, what's the mass of the alpha particle? 1, 2, 3, 4 subatomic particles in it, so it has a mass of 4 and proton number 1, 2, mass proton number of 2. So that's how we'd write an alpha particle. Beta particle, we've already mentioned, it has no mass, relatively no mass, so we have 0, and the charge is -1, so the atomic number is -1. Now gamma ray is just energy, so that's simple, that has no mass and no charge, so we write them like that. Now there is one other element that we can discuss, and that's the neutron. So if we go back to this diagram here, neutron, we can look at the symbols we use on the proton, neutron and electron. So proton first, mass of 1, charge of 1. Neutron, mass of 1, charge of 0, and electron, mass of 0, charge of -1. Now you'll notice that that is the same as that. It's because the beta particle is an electron. It's the fast moving electron. So now we can do something with the information. Let's have a look at this. An element is losing an alpha particle, and we need to know what else it forms. So start off, got 95 there. We know alpha particle is 4 over 2. So the proton number, if it loses 2, we're going to have 93 there, and if we lose 4 from the mass, we're going to have 239. Now we need to look at our periodic table again and find something with a proton number of 93. Got proton numbers here. 93. Neptunium. So back to our diagram. NP. Okay, we can do the next one. We're going to lose a beta particle here. Beta particle, no mass, -1 in charge. So 235, no change. 235. 92 -1 will make 93. And we look at the periodic table, don't need to, you'll see why. 93, it's neptunium again. So both of the reactions have formed neptunium.